Good evening, my mini golf brothers and sisters. Hey! Hope you enjoyed the championship. Hope you enjoyed our resort. It's a beautiful place, beautiful courses. First of all, I want to congratulate all the winners in all the categories. Please, one applause for all of them. Also, I want to thank to all of you who came here to participate at this championship and all the championships that were held before this one. I hope that you will come again next year, although there is no championship, but the next year after that, in 2019, I hope that we will be hosting again this serial of the championships. We hope that we will get a positive answer from WMF and that I will see you here in much greater numbers and that we will enjoy mini golf together. I wish you a very pleasant evening, and after this, let's have a party and celebrate. Thank you for coming.
This was one of the best speeches I ever heard. Yes.